Hello friends, now in this video we will cover the question number 1 for the miscellaneous exercise chapter number 5. Now let us start. Now the first question, the area bounded by the region where x lies between 1 to 5 equal to 1 equal to 5 and y lies between 2 to 5 equal to 2 and equal to 5 is given by, that is this very simple, and it is a rectangle. The value of the length of that rectangle I had calculated without by the definite integral, that is 5 minus 1, and its breadth is 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3, and area of that rectangle is equals to L into B, and that is equals to 4 into 3, which is 12, that is 12 square unit. Now the next question, the area of the region enclosed by the curve y is equals to 1 upon x and the line x is equals to e square is given by, that is required area capital A is equals to integral e to e square y dx, that is equals to integral e to e square 1 upon x dx. What is the integral of 1 upon x? Is the log of x. Lower limit is e, upper limit is e square. We will substitute upper limit minus lower limit, that is a log of e square minus log of e. By the rules of the logarithm, that is a 2 times log of e. The value of log of e is 1, and therefore 2 into 1 is 2, and log of e is 1. 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1. Therefore a is equals to 1, and hence option A is the correct one, that is a 1 square unit. Now the next question, the area bounded by the curve y is equals to x cube, the x-axis, and the line x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 1 is. Therefore, the required area capital A is equals to minus 1 to plus 1 y dx. The value of y is x cube. Its integral is x raised to 4 upon 4. Lower limit is minus 2, upper limit is 1. Now substitute, that is x is equals to 1. And then you will get, that is 1 by 4 minus 2 raised to 4 upon 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is 1 by 4. 2 raised to 4 means what? 16 by 4. That is a 4, and that is a 1 by 4 minus 4, and that's equals to minus 15 upon 4, and hence the area is always positive, and that's equals to 15 upon 4, and hence option C is the correct one. Now the problem number 4, the area enclosed between the parabola y square is equals to 4x and the line y is equals to 2x is. Now see this is the parabola y square is equals to 4x. It is symmetric about the x-axis. And what is the point of intersection with the line y is equals to 2x and the parabola y square is equals to 4x? That is y square is equals to 2x. Put y is equals to 2x bracket square is equals to 4x. That is 4x square minus 4x is equals to 0. 4x in bracket x minus 1 equals to 0. X is equals to 0 or x is equals to 1. Therefore, the area, that is, this is the required area, that you will find out the area below this parabola, area below this line. Now, A1 is the area where value of the x varies from x is equals to 0 to 1. Area below the parabola, that is the integral 0 to 1. But what is the value of y? Y square is equals to 4x, and therefore y is equals to 2 root x, taking the square root on both sides. Therefore, the required area A1 is equals to 0 to 1, 2 root x dx is equals to 2, 0 to 1 root x dx. But what is the integral of root x? It's x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. It means multiplied by it is a 2 by 3. Again, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Therefore, replace x by 1. And that is a 4 upon 3 into 1. That is equals to 4 by 3. And hence A1 is equals to 4 upon 3. What about the A2? A2 is the area, that is the integral 0 to 1, area below the line. 0 to 1, what is the equation of the line? Y is equals to 2x. And therefore, that is the integral 0 to 1, 2x dx. Its integral is a 2x square upon 2. 2 get cancelled, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. And hence A2 is equals to 1. Therefore, the required area is equals to A1 minus A2. That is area below the parabola minus area below the line. That is 4 upon 3 minus 1. That is equals to 1 by 3. And hence option B is the correct one. Now the next question, the area of the region bounded between the line x is equals to 4 and the parabola y square is equals to 16x. Now see, this is the parabola y square is equals to 16x. It is symmetric about the x-axis. X is equals to 4. What is its area? Y is equals to root of 16x. That is 0 to 4. What is the square root of 16? Is a 4 root x. That is a 4, 0 to 4 root of x dx. What's its integral? Root x. It's a x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. It means multiplied by the 2 by 3. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is a 4. And if you calculate that, that is the 8 upon 3, 4 raised to 3 by 2. That is 8 upon 3, 4 raised to 3 by 2 means what? 2 raised to 2 and bracket raised to 3 by 2. This 2 get cancelled and 2 raised to 3 means what? 8. 8 into 8, that is a 64 upon 3. Therefore, the required area is a 2 times 64 upon 3 and that is equals to 128 upon 3. And therefore, A is equals to 128 upon 3 a square unit. The area of the region, question number 6, area of the region bounded by y is equals to cos x and the y is equals to x. And the line x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2 pi each. Now see this here, that is the value of the x varies from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2 pi. And if you see this rough graph of this curve, and the value of x is varies from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2 pi. It means we want to find out A1, A2, A3, A4. If we find out the area A1 and multiply it with by the 4, then we will get the required area. The curve y is equals to cos x intersect x-axis at the point x is equals to pi by 2 at x is equals to 3 by 2 in 0 to 2 pi. We get the 4 regions. Therefore, the total area A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, that is a 4 times A1 and the 0 to pi, 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. What's the integral of cos x? Is a sin x, 0 to pi by 2. Substitute the value of sin of pi by 2 minus sin 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1, 1 minus 0, that is a 4 into 1, 4 square unit. That is option D is a correct one. Now the next is the area bounded by the parabola y square is equals to 8x, the x-axis and the latus rectum. Now see this, the rough sketch of this parabola y square is equals to 8x. Again, it is a symmetric about the x-axis. It's equals to y square is equals to 8x, that is, it is of the form y square is equals to 4x. The value of A is 2. And therefore, the required area is the value of x varies from 0 to 2. That is a 2 times 0 to 2 y dx and that is a 2, 0 to 2 in root of 8x. What is the square root of 8? It is a 2 root 2 x raised to 1 upon 2 dx. And that is a 2 into 2, 4, 4 root 2 x raised to 1 upon 2. It becomes x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. It becomes multiplied and reciprocal. That is a 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. And if you substitute x is equals to 2, then you will get the required answer. 4 root 2 into 2 upon 3. That is a 2 into 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 root 2 into root 2, again that will be the 2 overall. That is a 2 raised to 3 by 2 means what? 2 into root 2. And overall you will get 16 into 2 upon 3. That is a 32 upon 3 square unit, and this is the option B is the correct one. Now the next problem number 8, the area under the curve y is equals to 2 root x enclosed between the lines x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1 is. That is A, required area, that is a capital A is equals to integral 0 to 1 y dx. 0 to 1 2 root x into dx. That is what is the integral of root x? That is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. That is a 2 by 3 in bracket x raised to 3 by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Replace x by 1. That is a 4 by 3 into 1. That is equals to 4 by 3. Therefore, A is equals to 4 upon 3 and hence D, that is 4 upon 3 square unit. Now the question number 9. The area of the circle x square plus y square, that is equals to 25 in the first quadrant. Now see this here. The circle This is the rough sketch of this figure. X square plus y square is equals to 25. Radius of the circle is 5. X varies from x is equals to 0 to 5. Y square is equals to 25 minus x square. Why? Therefore, y is equals to in under root of 25 minus x square. That we are taking the plus value. Therefore, the a is equals to 0 to 5 y dx. 0 to 5 in under root of 25 minus x square dx. Now, what is the integral of a square minus x square? That is a x upon a in under root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of x upon a. In the same way, here a square is a 25, a is a 5. Therefore, in square bracket x upon 5 in under root of 25 minus x square plus 25 upon 2 sine inverse of x upon 5 0 to 5. Now replace x by 5. Then you will get 5 upon 5 in under root of 25 minus 25. 25 upon 2 sine inverse of 5 upon 5. Replace the value of the x as a 0. If we substitute x as a 0, 0, and the sine inverse of this first will be totally 0, and here is the sine inverse of 0, and the sine inverse of here is a sine inverse of 0. Now see this here, the first this will become 0, 25 upon 2 sine inverse of 1, and the sine inverse of 1 is a pi by 2. Therefore, it is a 25 upon 2 into pi by 2, and hence my answer is a 25 pi upon 4. This is my answer. Now the next problem, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. By the symmetry of the ellipse, the required area. Now see this here, this is the rough sketch of the ellipse. That is, the point A has the coordinate a 0 and the point B has a coordinate 0 to B. That is, the ellipse is a 4 times the area of the region O, A, B, O. Therefore, the region of the limits of the integration are x is equals to 0 and x is equals to A. Now see this, the equation of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. Therefore, you will get y square upon b square is equals to 1 minus x square upon a square. If you simplify, then you will get that is a square minus x square upon a square, that is equals to y square is equals to b square upon a square is equals to, y square is equals to b square upon a square in bracket a square minus x square. If you find out it's a square root, then you will get y is equals to plus or minus b upon a in under root of a square minus x square. That is, y is equals to b upon a in under root of a square minus x square. We are considering in the first quadrant. Therefore, the required area capital A is equals to 4 integral 0 to a y dx. That is a 4 integral 0 to a b upon a in under root of a square minus x square dx. That is a 4b upon a. What's the integral of in root of a square minus x square? That is x upon 2. This is a x upon 2 in under root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of x upon a. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. If you substitute x is equals to a, the first term will be 0 plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of a upon a. That is sine inverse of 1, and the lower limit is that will be the 0. Whole term will be the 0. Therefore, you will get 4a upon b. What is here? A square upon 2 sine inverse of 1 means what? It is a pi by 2. And therefore, here is a this a get cancelled. That is a 4ab upon 2 into pi by 2. Now again, this 2 into 2, 4. This 4 will get cancelled, and the area of the ellipse that is equals to pi ab square unit. And hence option B is the correct one. Now the problem number 11. That is the area bounded by the parabola y square is equals to x and the line 2y is equals to x is. Now see this here, the rough sketch of this figure. We'll find out the point of intersection, the parabola and the line. That is y square is equals to x, and again we have that is 2y is equals to x. Now the substitute the value of x, which is the 2y. Whole equation is in the variable that is the y. Y square is equals to 2y. Therefore, y square minus 2y is equals to 0. Take y as common, then in bracket you will get y minus 2y is equals to 0. Once put y is equals to 0 or y is equals to 2. When that is, we know that is a 2y is equals to x. When y is equals to 0, x is equals to 0. when y is equals to 2, x is equals to 4. Therefore, the A1 is 0 to 4, area below the line, below the parabola, y square is equals to x. That is y is equals to root of x. 0 to 4, y dx, 0 to 4, root x. That is, its integral is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. That is a 2 by 3, 0 to 4. Replace x by 4. This is the 2 by 3, 4 raised to 3 by 2. What's the value of? That is 4 means what? 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2, bracket raised to 3 by 2. This 2 get cancelled and you will get 2 raised to 3 means what? 8. And this is the 2 by 3 into 8. That is a 2 into 8. That is a 16. 16 upon 3. Therefore, the A1 is equals to 16 upon 3. This is the first. Now, the area below the line 2y is equals to x. That is a 0 to 4 y dx. That is 0 to 4. What is the value of y? That is equals to x upon 2 dx. And its integral is, that is x square upon 2, 0 to 4. And then you will get 1 by 4. 4 is to 2 minus 0. That is a 4 square upon 4. That is equals to 4. A2 is equals to 4. Therefore, the required area is A1 minus A2. That is 16 by 4 minus 4. And that is equals to 4 upon 3. And hence, area is a 4 upon 3 square root. And therefore, option A is a correct one. Now, the next problem. The area bounded by the curve y is equals to cos of 3x. And the value of x lies between 0 to pi by 6 equals to 0 equals to pi by 6. And the x-axis that is given by capital A is equals to integral 0 to pi by 6 cos of 3x dx. Therefore, what is the integral of cos of 3x? Is the sine of 3x upon 3. 0 to pi by 6. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 6. Now, replace x by pi by 6. That is the sine of 3 pi by 6 upon 3 minus sine of 0 upon 3. This 3 into pi by 6, then you will get pi by 2 upon 3 minus 0. Now, what about the sine 90? Sine 90 is 1, that is 1 upon 3. A is equals to 1 by 3, and therefore, the option D is the correct one, that is 1 by 3 square root. Now, the problem number 13. The area bounded by y is equals to root x and the line x is equals to 2y plus 3 x-axis in the first quadrant. Now see this, the figure, that x is equals to 2y plus 3. The point of intersection, we'll find out the point of intersection y is equals to root x and the line x is equals to 2y plus 3. The point of intersection is a 9 and 3. And here is a 0, 3 and 0. Now see this here, y is equals to root x is equals to 2y plus 3. Therefore, y is equals to root x, squaring on both sides, then you will get y square is equals to x. And here x is equals to 2y plus 3. Now substitute the value of x, that is y square. The whole equation will be in the quadratic form in the variable y. That is y square minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now factors this. That is, factors are y minus 3 into y plus 1. That's equals to 0. Therefore, y minus 3 is equals to 0 and y plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to 3 or y is equals to minus 1. Now find out the value of x. X is equals to 2y plus 3. Substitute x is equals to, y is equals to 3. Then you will get the value of x is 9. Y is equals to minus 1 and the value of x is 1. Therefore, the points are 1 and minus 1. Therefore, the area below the parabola, now see this figure, area below the parabola, and the value of x varies from 0 to 9, a root x dx. What's its integral? X raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. It means it's a multiplied, that is by 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 9. Now replace x by 9. That is a1 is equals to 2 by 3. 9 raised to 3 by 2, 2 by 3. What's here? 9 raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 raised to 2. Bracket raised to 3 by 2. That 2 get cancelled. You will get 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3 means what? 27. 27 into 2, 54. 54 upon 3. That is equals to 18. Therefore, A1 is equals to 18. What about the A2? Area below the line. 3 to 9 y dx. That is 1 upon 2. The value of y. That is 1 by 2 in bracket x minus 3 dx. That is 1 upon 3. What is the integral of x? X square upon 2. That is a 3 is a 3x. 3 to 9. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. That is 1 upon 2. X is replaced by 9. 9 raised to 2 upon 2 minus 3 into 9. minus in bracket 3 raised to 2 upon 2 minus 3 into 3 bracket complete. Therefore, you will get 1 upon 2. 9 raised to 2 means what? 81 upon 2. 3 into 9, that is a 27. That is a 3 square means what? 9 by 2. And here minus minus will become plus. 3 into 3 is a 9. And therefore, you will get 1 upon 2, 72 upon 2 minus 18. And that is equals to 1 upon 2 in bracket 72 minus 36 upon 2. And overall, you will get 1 upon 2 into 36 upon 2, and that's equals to 9. Therefore, A2 is equals to 9. Therefore, required area, capital A is equals to A1 minus A2, that is 18 minus 9, that is equals to 9, and hence B is equals to, option B is the correct one. Now the problem number 14, the area bounded by the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1, and the line x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1 is. Now see this very interesting line, that is this line makes the intercept a on the x-axis and the b on the y-axis. Therefore the point of intersection, here is the point a is a a0 and the b is a 0b. And now we will find out the required area, that is area below this ellipse and the minus area below this line. Now see this here, that is we have calculated in question number 10, that is area of the ellipse, that is in first quadrant A1 is equals to area of the ellipse is a pi AB, but we required here in the first quadrant, which is the A by 4, which is a pi AB upon 4. A1 is pi AB upon 4. What about the next? Now the area below the line, x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Therefore, y upon b is equals to 1 minus x upon a. Therefore, y is equals to b in bracket 1 minus x upon a. Therefore, the area below the line a2 is equals to 0 to a y dx. That is a b in bracket 0 to a in bracket 1 minus x upon a dx. Now integrate this. What is the integral of x? 1 is x. X upon a is x square upon 2a. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. And therefore b, x is replaced by a minus a square upon 2a. This a get cancelled and then you get b in bracket a minus a upon 2, which is a by 2, and that is a2 is equals to ab upon 2. Therefore, the required area capital A is equals to a1 minus a2. That is a pi ab upon 4 minus ab upon 2. If you take ab as a common, that is a ab upon 4 as a common, then in bracket you will get pi minus 2. Or the answer will be like this in this manner, that is a option B. What type of the option is there? That is a pi AB upon 4 minus AB upon 2. Now the next, that is a problem number 15. The area bounded by the parabola y is equals to x square and the line y is equals to x is. Now see this here figure. What type of this parabola is it? Y is equals to x square. It's a symmetric about the y-axis. This is the rough figure and the line y is equals to x. It's clear that the point of intersection is a 0, 0 and 1, 1. If you replace, that is a y is equals to x, then you will get y is equals to x square, that is x square is equals to x. X square minus x is equals to 0. Take x as a common, then in bracket you will get x is equals to 0 or x is equals to, or x minus 1 is equals to 0. And therefore x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 0, y is 0. When x is equals to 1, y is 1. And therefore the coordinate of the point B is 1, 1. Therefore the area below the line, that is the y dx. Therefore 0 to 1 y dx. What's its integral? Its integral is x square upon 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. And that is a1 is equals to 1 upon 2. Area below the parabola, area below this parabola. What type of this parabola is 0 to 1 y dx. But what is the value of y? Is x square dx. X cube upon 3, 0 to 1. A2 is equals to 1 by 3. And therefore the required area is capital A is equals to A1 minus A2. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 8. And that is, 1 upon 2 minus 1 by 3. And hence their subtraction is A is equals to 1 by 6. And option C is the correct one. Again, the next problem is also very interesting. The area enclosed between the parabola y square is equals to 4x and the line, and the y is equals to x is. Now again we will find out the point of intersection between the parabola y square is equals to 4x and the line y is equals to x. What's the point of intersection? The 4, 4 and the 0, 0. We'll find out the area below this parabola, area below this line, and their subtraction. Now see this, first of all, point of intersection, y square is equals to 4x and the y is equals to x. Y square is equals to 4x, therefore x square is equals to 4x. Substitute, that is y is equals to x. And x square minus 4x is equals to 0, take x as common, then in bracket x minus 4. X is equals to 0 or x minus 4 is equals to 0, x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 4. And hence x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 4. Now the area, A1, the area below the parabola. First we will find out the area below the parabola, then area below the line. Therefore the area below the parabola, that is a 0 to 4 y dx, 0 to, what is the value of y? We have the y square is equals to 4x, therefore y is equals to root of 4x, that is a 2 root x. What is the integral of root x? X raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, it means 2 by 3. And the value of x varies from x is equals to 0 to 4. Now here is a 2 into 2, that is will be the 4 upon 3. X raised to 3 by 2, 0 to 4. That is 4 by 3, 4 raised to 3 by 2. 4 means what? 2 raised to 2, bracket raised to 3 by 2. These 2 get cancelled. 2 raised to 3 means what? 8. 8 into 4, that is 32 upon 3. Now the next A2 is the area below the line y is equals to x. 0 to 4 y dx, 0 to 4 x dx. What's the integral of x? X square upon 2, 0 to 4. That is 1 by 4, 4 is to 2. 4 is to 2 means what? 16. That is 1 upon 2 into 16. That is A2 is equals to 8. Required area capital A is equals to A1 minus A2. That is 32 upon 3 minus 8. That is equals to A is equals to 8 upon 3. Therefore A is equals to 8 upon 3. This is option. That is option A is the correct one. The area bounded by the curve y is equals to tan x, x-axis, and the line x is equals to pi by 4 is. The area bounded by the curve, that is capital A is equals to 0 to pi by 4. What is the value of y? Y is a tan x. Therefore, integral 0 to 1 tan x into dx. 0 to pi by 4. What is the integral of tan x? It's a log of sec x. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 4. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. And then you will get log of sec of pi by 4 minus sec of 0. But what is the value of sec of 0? Sec 0 is 1. As cos 0 is 1, sec 0 is 1. And log of 1 is 0, therefore it is 0. What about the sec of pi by 4? As the cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, therefore sec of pi by 4 is a root 2. That is the log of root 2 minus log of 0. But log of root 2 means what? 2 raised to log of 2 raised to 1 upon 2. It is 1 upon 2 log 2. And therefore A is equals to 1 upon 2 log 2. This is my option, that is 1 by 2 log 2. There may be the correction in the textbook. But this is my answer. If you are agree, then write down this or understand this. Now the problem number 18. The area of the region bounded by x square is equals to 16y, y is equals to 1, y is equals to 4, and the x is equals to 0 in the first quadrant. Now see this here, the required area, that x square is equals to 16y, and that is x is equals to taking the square root. Taking the square root, x is equals to 4 root y. And here variable is y. Y varies from y is equals to 1 to 4. Y is equals to 1 to 4, 4 root y dy. Take 4 as common. And find out the integral of root of y. It's a y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. It's multiplied and reciprocal. It is a 2 by 3. 1 to 4. Replace y by 4. That is 8 by 3 and 4 is to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2. That is overall it is 1. That is 8 by 3. 4 means what? 2 raised to 2, bracket raised to 3 by 2. This 2 get cancelled. 2 raised to 3 means 8 minus 1. That is a 7. That is a 8 by 3 into 7. That is a 56 upon 3. And hence option D is a correct one. Now the next problem. The area of the region bounded included between the parabola y square is equals to 4x and x square is equals to 4ay, where a is a positive which is greater than 0. Now see these are the two parabolas. The first is y square is equals to 4x and second is x square is equals to 4y. Their point of intersection O is a 0, 0 and the B is a 4a and 4a. Now we will find out the area below this parabola. Y square is equals to 4x and the x square is equals to 4ay. their subtraction. Now y square is equals to 4x, this is the first parabola, and x square is equals to 4ay. Now we'll find out their point of intersection. That is, here replace the value of y. What is the value of y from this second equation? It is x square upon 4a from this equation second. Here substitute in equation number 1 value of the y. That is x square upon 4a bracket square is equals to 4ax. Now squaring on both sides, that is a 16x raised to 4. 4a bracket square means what? 16a square into 4ax, that is a 64a cube x. Therefore, after the simplification, you will get x raised to 4 minus 64a cube x. Take x as a common, then in bracket x cube minus 4a cube, that is a 64a cube means what? 4a bracket cube, that's equals to 0. Now here x is equals to 0. And if we simplify this, that is, what is the formula? That is a cube minus b cube. That is in first bracket a minus b, in second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. And then you will get x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 4a. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 4a. When these are the points, that is a 4a and 4a, you can substitute it. That is x is equals to 4a and y is equals to 4a. This is the point of intersection. Therefore, the intersection is a 0, 0 and b 4a and the 4a. Therefore, the required area capital A is equals to area under the parabola y square is equals to 4x and the area minus area under the parabola x square is equals to 4ay. Therefore, integral 0 to 4a in under root of 4a x dx minus 0 to 4a x square upon 4a dx. What is the integral? That is the root of 4a x root x. What is the integral of root x? X raised to 3 by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 4a. Substitute. That is a 4. 2 into, what is the square root of 4? Is a 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 root a upon 3. X raised to 3 by 2. That is, x is replaced by 4a raised to 3 by 2. And then you will get 4a in root of 4a minus. Here is a 1 by 12a. X is replaced by again a 4a. That is a 64a cube. And you will get the answer, that is a 32 upon 3a square minus 16 upon 3a square. Then you will get 16 upon 3a square square root. This is the answer. Now the next, the area of the region included between the line x plus y is equals to 1 and the circle x square plus y square is equals to 1 is. Now we'll find out the area below this circle and the area below this line and their subtraction. The required area, the area of the region, what is that? A, C, B, D, A. This is the required area. That is the area of the region O, A, B, C, O. So O, A, C, B, O. O, A, C, B, O minus area O, A, D, B, O. This is the area. That is the area under the circle x square plus y square is equals to 1. That is a 0 to 1 y dx. The value of y is in under root of 1 minus x square, integral 0 to 1 dx. What is its integral? In under root of 1 minus x square, there is x upon 2 in under root of 1 minus x square plus 1 upon 2 sine inverse of x 0 to 1. Replace x by 1. The first will be 0. And what about the second? Sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 upon into 1 upon 2, that is a pi by 4. A1 is pi by 4. What about the A2? That is the area below the line. Integral 0 to 1 y dx. That is 0 to 1 in bracket 1 minus x dx. What's the integral of x? Integral of 1 is x. X square upon 2, 0 to 1. And that is a 1 minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, A2 is 1 by 2. Therefore, required area is capital A is equals to A1 minus A2, which is pi by 4 minus 1 upon 2. And in this way, the option C is the correct one. And in this way, in this video, I had completed all the multiple choice questions. I will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.